CATIA is one of the most expensive engineering suites in the world. If you just need to view a CATPART file, do not buy the software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Use this viewer instead. Keep your expectations high for the final step. We will introduce you to the single utility that makes troubleshooting the CATPART format and dozens of others obsolete. A CATPART file is a 3D CAD, computer-aided design, part file created by CATIA, a sophisticated engineering and design software suite. It contains the geometric data, features, and properties that define a single component within a larger assembly. These files are essential for creating and managing complex product designs in industries like aerospace, automotive, and manufacturing. CATPART files store precise 3D geometric data using boundary representation, BREP, or constructive solid geometry, CSG. They can include parametric features, allowing for easy modification and design iterations. The file format supports various surface and solid modeling techniques, along with material properties, annotations, and manufacturing information, ensuring accurate representation and manufacturability. Dassault Systèmes defined CATIA as the application primarily intended for CATPART Windows, provides a generic icon, but lacks a specific viewer for this format. Windows offers only minimal rendering, so complete inspection requires proper modeling applications. We are checking system compatibility. Right-click your CATPART file and hit Open With. If CATIA is on your machine, test it immediately. If not, any other listed program will work for the test. If the CATPART file won't budge, stay calm. If your CATPART file still refuses to load, we are dealing with one of 3 predictable errors. Let's check them off with this easy list right now. First, use CATIA. Open the file using Dassault Systèmes CATIA, or an equivalent licensed CAD program that supports the CATIA V5 V6 format. Next, use CATIA Viewer. If you only need to view the model, install the free CATIA Composer Player or eDrawings Viewer with the CATIA add-in. Finally, convert to STEP. If collaborating, convert the CATPART file to a universal format like step.stp for easier transfer and opening in non-CATIA programs. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.